Hello everyone, welcome to this SOLOTICA Natural Crystal 2020 review. So here is the Crystal in bright artificial lighting. As you can see, this is a cool toned lens. It is what appears to be kind of like a gray, but it also has a little bit of green undertone depending on the lighting. I think these lenses would suit people with very cool skin tones very well. And as you guys can see in the center, the pupil hole is quite blunt. So I personally recommend these lenses for those with very dark brown eyes. And then, as with all natural SOLOTICA contacts, there is a limbal ring designed into the lens to look more natural. If you guys come up close, you'll notice that the limbal ring is hatched. And I think that's to make the limbal ring appear softer and not as bold and dramatic. And you'll see some color gradient changes. There is some dark grays, there is some black specks, and then overlaid on top are some white specks. So there is some change in color gradient and patterning going on. From a distance, these lenses are very striking. They're the kind of lenses that are going to make your eyes pop and stand out a lot. And I think these lenses will suit you best if you either have a darker skin tone or a very fair and cool skin tone. I think that they'll suit your features the most. Because of that black limbal ring, your eyes are going to look very defined and framed and very striking. So if that's the look you're going for and you want the gray tone, then I think that you will like this SOLOTICA Natural Crystal. All SOLOTICA contacts are now exclusively sold on solotica.com, and if you use my discount code DANICA10, you can save money while you shop. If you guys want to see the entire SOLOTICA Softflex collection, I have all 7 colors in a review video, and I will put it at the end of this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!